Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harmanpreet Kaur and I am 12th class student. Today I am here in order to present my speech. I would like to talk about effects of coronavirus on Indian economy. Not wasting your precious time, I am going to talk about my topic. Firstly, I'll talk little bit about COVID-19. As we are well known about COVID-19 means coronavirus. Due to this COVID-19, we are having to face gigantic implications because this is very lethal for us. It's our onus to stay at home in order to get rid of from COVID-19. It's not the process that we can easily solve this problem. Bit by bit we can erode this. This is a very surreal for us to think that after this lockdown we can easily stroll because our society and world is fully embedded with this COVID-19. If we can in massive with this, then we will easily ruin in. There is no iota of doubt that skeptical patients of coronavirus are increasing the strength. We are having to glean this. If we stay at home, then we are safe from coronavirus. Doctor and police officers are helping us with full swing. This is very unforgiving lapse for the China. This was increased due to skeptical trackers. Now I am going to talk about the effects of coronavirus on Indian economy. Due to COVID-19, the economy of India is decreasing day by day because no one can open their shops and all the industries are closed due to lockdown and curfew. There is no import and export with the other countries so as to earn money. Without selling, buying, import and export, there is no more way to earn money for increasing the economy. Trains, buses, aeroplanes are also not in work in this curfew. No type of tax is taking place. With that we can little bit earn. We know that the coin has two sides, as like that COVID-19 has also two sides. One is advantages and second one is disadvantages. Now I am going to talk about advantages. Due to COVID-19, the people aren't spending much money on the marriages, and the poor father of the bride is safe from debit, and they can save money. With the help of lockdown, our environment is also safe from air pollution and noise pollution. Now the birds can easily survive without any type of pollution. With this lockdown, parents can spend much time with their children, and children can also spend much time with their parents, because otherwise no one is free to spend much time with their family, and because everyone is busy in their works. Now I am going to talk about disadvantages of COVID-19. Due to COVID-19, the students aren't go to abroad for their higher studies. No one can stroll anywhere. All shops were closed and the prices of the material is increased now. It's very difficult to have any food item from the shops, and the schools are also closed and students are having to do online studies. At last I suffice to say that stay home, stay safe. Thanks.